Have you ever wanted to reuse a Google form that you've used in the past, but you don't want to go through the process of making a copy? Well, there's a little bit of a shortcut that you can take in using a Google form over again. You'll see that I have a sample form, that I have some questions, and I have had some responses. I have 3 responses right here. If I go over to the view responses, you'll see that I do have a spreadsheet that is connected, and I have my responses right here. What you need to do is you're going to go to the 3 dots and you're going to go to unlink form. What this does is it unlinks your Google form from the spreadsheet that we just looked at. So I'm going to unlink that form, and it's going to tell you, are you sure you want to unlink the form? I am sure. Now I do not have a spreadsheet that is linked to my Google form. I still have all of my responses. They're still here. They're still saved in my Google Drive. They're just not attached to this certain Google form. Then I'm going to go to the 3 dots again, and I'm going to press delete all responses. What this is going to do is it's going to delete the responses from the Google form. But remember, I still have my spreadsheet that has all of my answers. I'm not going to lose that. So I have my Google form. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click this little spreadsheet icon. I'm going to create a new spreadsheet. And what I can do is I can rename it. I'm going to name it, let's say, Sample Form Responses 2021. That way I can tell the difference between the old sheet and the new sheet. I can also name it with maybe my class name, whatever the subject is, but you're going to rename it. Here is my new sheet. Here is my old sheet. Now to show you that it works, I'm going to go to preview. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill this out. And then I'm going to press submit. Now I'm going to go to my form and I'm going to see that I have 1 response. And then I'm also going to go to my new spreadsheet and you'll see that I have 1 response. It did not go to my old spreadsheet. It went to my new spreadsheet. So this is a really easy way to reuse the same exact assignment in Classroom. All you have to do is unlink that spreadsheet from your form, and then you can reuse your assignment in Google Classroom. I hope this helps. I hope this makes it a little easier to use Google Forms and to reuse forms.